Hey guys, welcome back to DelphStack. Today I'll be showing you how to fix error 2046 Firefox. So guys, if you have these issues right here, what you could try to do is just simply reset your Firefox. So guys, you could do that by just simply going for the three lines on the top right corner, and then over here you could go for the settings, and then here on the settings you could go for the privacy and security. And now over here, you can just simply go for the clear browsing data. So guys, remember that if you clear your browsing data, it will delete every data on your Firefox. So make sure to save everything if you don't want to lose any of your data, or you will have an option over here, last hour, 2 hours, 4 hours. But I recommend selecting everything and make sure to check these three boxes over here, because they play a huge role on fixing this issue. So just simply select clear in order for you to fix the issue, and pretty much that can help. Now another option is you could just simply go for the three lines on the top right corner, and you could go for the help over here and go for the troubleshoot mode. So guys, by going for the troubleshoot mode, it will disable the extensions and the other settings, because sometimes these extensions are the reason why you are having some issues. Now guys, if it doesn't work out still, what you could try to do is you could just simply close out your Firefox and just simply open it up again, or pretty much you could also go for the restart thing your whole computer, so you won't have any issue. And also guys, make sure everything that you use have the latest version, because sometimes outdated versions are the reason why you are having some issues. So make sure you are running the latest version of everything that you use. Or if you haven't tried, you could also clear Flash player global settings, and that might help. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.